Rio, get off me.
I'm not. Just admiring the view from here.
View?
You know, curves and angles.
Rio, quit leaning on my papers.
I'm just testing how hard you work. Everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yes. The papers aren't the only thing I'm touching.
Why'd you sigh at me?
Your brain lagged again.
When?
Just now. Still buffering.
How's my uniform?
Wrinkled.
Where?
Everywhere. Do I look defeated?
No.
Really?
You look defeated. Respect my badge, Rio.
I would,
But what?
but it deserves a better owner.